Rainbow-colored wings hold deep symbolic meaning across cultures, mythologies, and spiritual traditions. Unlike wings of a single color, which often represent a specific attribute such as purity, power, or mystery, rainbow wings embody a fusion of qualities: light, transformation, freedom, and spiritual connection. Their vibrant colors carry themes of unity, diversity, and the bridge between the physical and divine realms. First, rainbow-colored wings symbolize transcendence and enlightenment. The rainbow itself has long been associated with spiritual awakening and higher consciousness. In many cultures, it represents a bridge between worlds, such as in Norse mythology, where the Bifrost rainbow connected Earth to the divine realm of Asgard. When combined with wings, a symbol of freedom and ascension, the meaning becomes even more powerful. It suggests a being that has overcome earthly limitations, reaching a higher state of awareness or existence. These wings also symbolize hope and renewal. The appearance of a rainbow after a storm is a universal sign of new beginnings, promising peace and restoration. In Christian tradition, the rainbow represents God's covenant with humanity after the Great Flood. Wings in this context enhance the idea of divine guidance, suggesting that a being with rainbow-colored wings serves as a messenger of hope and healing, bringing comfort in times of difficulty. Another powerful meaning of rainbow wings is diversity and unity. Just as a rainbow is made up of different colors blending into a beautiful spectrum, these wings symbolize harmony between different energies, perspectives, or cultures. This interpretation aligns with modern ideas of inclusivity and the celebration of differences. A being with rainbow-colored wings could represent someone who embraces all aspects of themselves and others, balancing light and shadow, strength and gentleness, individuality and collective unity. In some spiritual traditions, particularly in Eastern philosophies, the colors of the rainbow correspond to the chakras, or energy centers of the body. Red symbolizes grounding and vitality, orange represents creativity, yellow stands for confidence, green for love, blue for communication, indigo for intuition, and violet for spiritual enlightenment. Rainbow wings, therefore, can symbolize a being in complete energetic balance, embodying wisdom and harmony across all aspects of life. Mythological beings with rainbow wings often serve as guardians or celestial guides. In some interpretations, angels, fairies, or spirit guides are depicted with multicolored wings, reflecting their ability to navigate different realms and assist those in need. Their presence suggests a connection to something beyond the physical world, reminding us to embrace change, trust the journey, and believe in the beauty of transformation. Ultimately, rainbow-colored wings symbolize the union of opposites: earth and sky, light and darkness, individual and universal. They remind us that growth comes from embracing all aspects of existence, and that true freedom comes not just from flight, but from an open heart and mind. Whether seen in dreams, art, or mythology, they represent a powerful message of hope, transformation, and the boundless potential of the human spirit.